Hello everyone, my name is Anisha and I am an intern at LEXIS and Company. Today in this video, I'll be discussing with you all the process of arrest without warrant. That is, how arrest is made and what is the process of arrest that is made without warrant. So let's proceed. In order to make the arrest, the officials of the police or any of the authority who is making the arrest, such as magistrate or any private person, shall be actually touching or confining the body of that person to be arrested unless there be a submission to the custody by word or action. So, however, an oral declaration of arrest without actual contact or submission to the custody will not amount to arrest, provided that where a woman is to be arrested, unless the circumstances indicate to the contrary, her submission to the custody on an oral intimation shall be presumed, and unless the circumstances otherwise require or unless the police official is a female, the police officer shall not touch the woman for making her arrest. So, if any such person who forcefully resisting the endeavor for arresting him or has been attempting to evade the arrest, then the court has given them the powers for the purpose of effecting arrest, that such police officers or any of the person might be using all the means that are necessary for effecting the arrest. Firstly, the police may use necessary force to arrest a person if the person to be arrested resists the arrest or attempts to evade the arrest under section 46 clause 2 of CRPC. And however, the person the power to use necessary force for making an arrest shall not extend to causing to death of a person who is not accused of an offence punishable with death or with imprisonment for life under section 46 clause 3 of CRPC. The person arrested is not to be subjected to more restraint than is necessary to prevent his escape as set out in the section 49 of CRPC. So we are dealing with all these provisions as well as how this procedure is to be carried out by the police making the arrest. So also we can consider that the police should not handcuff the accused. Police are restrained from handcuffing the arrested person without the prior permission from the concerned magistrate, and the apex court is not happy about the indiscriminate handcuffing of the arrested persons by the police in spite of the court warnings. And thus the Supreme Court has also ordered in one of the cases like the Citizens for Democracy versus State of Assam, it has said that in all the cases where a person arrested by the police is produced before the magistrate and on judicial or the non-judicial remand is given by the magistrate, the person concerned shall not be handcuffed unless special orders in this respect are obtained from the magistrate at the time of the grant of the remand. When the police arrest a person in execution of the warrant of arrest obtained from the magistrate, the police and the person who is so arrested, that is the police who is making the arrest of that person, shall not handcuff unless the police have also obtained orders from the magistrate for the handcuffing of the persons to be arrested. So this is all about the handcuffing. Now, if when a person is arrested by the police without warrant, then the police officer concerned may, if he is satisfied on the basis of the guidelines given by the court, it is necessary to handcuff such a person, then he may do so till the time he is taken to the police station, and thereafter his production before the magistrate also. Further, the use of the fetters thereafter can only be under the power orders of the magistrate, as are indicated by the court. It was said in one of the cases, and under section 48 of CRPC, a police officer may, for the purpose of arresting without the warrant any person who is against whom who is authorized to arrest, and they can pursue such a person into any place to India. And this provision, it facilitates the police to conduct and complete investigation of a case in hand promptly and effectively. An officer in charge of the police station or the police officer holding in the investigation under chapter 12 of the CRPC can require any subordinate person and the subordinate officer to arrest without a warrant other than in his presence any person who may lawfully be arrested without a warrant, and shall also deliver to the officer so required an order in writing specifying the person to be arrested and the offence or the other cause for which the arrest is to be made under section 55 of the CRPC. So this was all about how the process to be applied when arrest is made without warrant. So I hope it is understood by everyone, and thank you for listening.